go through the quiz?
Yep.
No. Okay.
Okay, hold on. We're just going straight to the quiz for 6.
Yes.
Is that what we're doing? Okay, wait, I gotta find myself again. That's not where I want. Don't want that. Oh,
So, Crystal, how do you feel like you did this week?
Sorry, what?
How do you feel like you did this week with less than 7?
On the homework quiz for 6, I got 100%, but on 7, I missed 2 questions, and I couldn't even tell you how the right answers are supposed to be because I totally did not understand it. So I was like, whatever.
yeah.
I haven't read it, so I'm. I think
One
it's
question.
harder than 7, lesson 6.
What did you say? Sorry, Raquel?
It is harder than lesson 6.
Yeah.
I haven't read it. Like, okay.
Okay. Are we recording?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Who wants to read? Do you want me to read?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll read. So are we all on question 3?
Yes.
Okay. So when you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
That one be normal.
I thought it, wait a minute. Isn't it, isn't it right skewed because it has to be higher than 30 to be normal?
Yeah, it's not normal. Because what you said.
So what do you guys think?
Higher than 30.
I'm trying to, let's see. Sample contained 25. Does anybody else think anything else?
I think you're right. I think it's right squeeze that word.
I think I think unless it's like 30 or above, which would mean it would be normal distribution.
Okay, but
I'm not positive, guys.
It's, I don't remember, where did you guys learn that, the 30?
In the lesson says that.
Lesson 7.
On the
Was it lesson 7?
Yeah, which is either equal to or greater than 30. Yeah, that's in lesson 7.
Oh.
Yeah,
well,
lesson 6
I read it in lesson 6 as well.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
because I haven't read lesson 7. And I remember I read that.
Okay.
Hang on, I'm looking here.
Yeah.
Well, it's the central limit theorem, isn't it?
I'm just missing things. Hold on, let me.
In lesson 6 at the end.
7, sorry.
At the very end, before the summary, it says in red letters, like, for this course, if n equals like equals or more than 30.
Okay, so for this course, if n is less than 30, we will say the distribution of the sample means will be approximately normal, even if the parent population is not normal. Is that right? Am I getting that right?
Yes.
But it's saying the parent population is right skewed. So I think it stays right skewed unless it would be like The like 30 or above.
And it says if a parent population is heavily skewed, then it will require a larger sample size to be assured that it would be normally distributed. So I think in this case, I think it's normal. Would you say or no? Oh, the sample size of 5. And it's skewed to the right.
Maybe it is skewed to the right. Is that what everyone's thinking?
I think it's skewed to the right.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's right.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
do.
I think it's skewed right.
Okay, let's just do skewed right, and then.
Okay. Question 4. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? Well, that would be normal.
That would be normal.
Right. We're on a roll. Everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Question 5. Is that where we're at? When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
Normal.
Mm-hmm.
Then it would be normal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Question 6. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is normally distributed?
It's normal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. It's normal.
Yeah.
Ooh, I hope they're all like this. Okay.
Oh, there's.
When would the what?
Never mind. Sorry.
Okay. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Choose all the correct responses. Okay. So data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. So what are we asking? When would it be normally distributed? Okay. Well, it would be that one, right? Because if it's normally distributed, then it would be normal.
I would say it's the first, second, and the fourth answer.
Data are drawn from a population that's normally, yeah, first, second, I agree. Why isn't it letting me click on these? Is it letting you guys click on the different ones?
Mm-hmm.
It's not letting me. It's like just doing a square.
Maybe try clicking, like double clicking.
Let me see. When I click on one, it goes off of another one.
Oh, then yours is not
Working.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, anyway, what do you guys think? I think it's the first one, the second one, and the third or the fourth one.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not letting me do it, so that's weird. Does it like do a checkbox or something?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it just checks the box.
It checks it?
Yeah.
Mine's not doing it.
What if you refresh the page?
Oh, if you refresh the page, then it's gonna
I'll probably lose it, huh?
Yeah, you'll probably lose it.
Okay, let me just write this down.
Well, if you want, like, you can just after
Yeah.
we're done, you can just submit it, and then you could just go back and hopefully change it.
Either that, or you can email Miss Withers and say, we all got the answer right, but mine wouldn't let me check all of them. It only let me check once.
Okay,
And she'll
so
change.
it's number 7, and the answer is, we'll say A, B, normally A, B, and D. Okay. Everybody on that one done? We're good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Question 8. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? If the parent population for which the data are drawn is normally distributed, then the sample mean, what is that, bar X, will follow a normal distribution. Let me look here. Okay, second one, for bell-shaped data, approximately, that's the 68, 95, and 97. That doesn't have, I don't think that's it. If the sample size is
Do with it.
large, what?
That one doesn't have anything to do with central limit theorem.
No.
So that's an easy one. Nope.
So if the sample size is large, the sample mean X will be close to the population mean of U. Or if the sample size is large, the shape of the distributions of sample means will be approximately normal.
I think it's the last one.
I think it's
Yeah, me too.
Mm-hmm.
I keep forgetting on these group quizzes, are we allowed to, is it allowed to be open book?
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know why I was thinking it wasn't.
It says open book, but you can't use other people as resources.
Oh, so I can't use my son then, huh?
I
Darn
was
it.
thinking last week. Ooh.
Oh, I probably shouldn't. No one said anything to me, so
I bet you nobody even noticed. So it was all
probably not. But hey, that's all right. We needed help. Okay,
Yeah,
the time we were tired.
we were so tired.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one says, let X be a random variable with population mean equals 10, and population standard deviation of 6. Suppose a sample of size n equals 36 is drawn from this population. What is the mean of the distribution of sample means?
So it's the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size.
Yep.
Or no, right?
I think that's right.
So would it equal 1?
So it would be, where are we? So it's the standard deviation divided by the
Root square.
square root of n, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that would be 6 divided by the square root of 36.
Did you get 36?
Oh, wait a second. Oh,
It'd just be 1, right?
I think it would just be 1.
wait, square root 36.
Why did I do that?
Yeah, because the square root of 36 is 6.
Mm-hmm.
6 divided by 6 is 1.
Mm-hmm. Here, let me just double check.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah, it's one. You're right.
What is the
Mhm.
mean of the distribution?
Oh, but it's asking what is the mean, not what is the standard deviation.
Right.
Oh.
So the mean is 10.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry, that was my fault.
Yeah.
Yes, you got to read what the question asks, right?
I know. I never do that. I always jump the gun.
Okay. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means?
We got that one. 1.
That isn't the, that's not the 6 then, the standard deviation.
That's the standard deviation of distribution of sample means, not the standard deviation.
So that's what we just figured out. Okay. All right.
Mhm.
Question 11, are we all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, which is n is greater than 30, what would the shape of the distribution of the sample mean? What would be the shape if it's large?
It's not.
Um,
What would be the shape?
does it say?
Another something.
Large.
I think it's normal.
I'd say normal.
It's more than 30.
Yeah, it's more than 30. I think it's normal,
I would say it's normal.
hopefully.
Mhm.
Okay.
As this says here, For this course, if n is greater than or equal to 30, we will say that the distribution of the sample means will be approximately normal.
Oh, good. Okay,
Okay.
I agree.
Mhm.
So number 12 is what theorem would justify your response to the last question? So the law of large numbers or the central limit theorem?
Central limit theorem.
What's the law of large numbers?
Yeah.
It will be normal. Okay, yes, that's right. The central limit theorem.
Large numbers states that the law of large numbers states that as the sample size gets larger, the sample mean will get closer to the population mean.
Right.
And we're
Okay.
saying that because the population is 30 or equal to 30 or larger, that it's approximately normal or normal.
Okay.
Thank you for explaining that.
Mhm. So are we? So we still okay with number 8, the central limit theorem?
Wait a second. Normally.
Guys, we got 100%.
Was
Okay.
it? So
Yes.
8.
So 8 is if the sample size is large, the shape of distribution of sample means will be approximately normal.
Okay.
Yep, we got 100%.
We got
Well,
it.
I didn't because that one won't let me do it.
But that's okay, because you can go to Sister Withers and you can let her know that it was only letting you choose one option, which was not true.
Yeah. Okay.
And all my other, you can say all my other members got it right. So
Okay, hold on just a second, guys. It's not, I think my computer has issues. It's not letting me submit the quiz at the moment.
It's okay. We'll give you like a couple minutes.
Give me some
give you the
time.
answers if you pop out of that.
Yeah, I don't know what it's, maybe I have too much open here.
If you click in your browser bar,
Mm-hmm.
click in that and just press enter. See what happens, because you can take the quiz at least twice. So if you're
Yeah.
having trouble, it'll refresh or it'll just kick you out altogether.
Okay.
Try that
We'll
and see what happens.
We'll see what it does here. It's still thinking. It's thinking.
You're good.
This is what happened last time. I like had a, and then my computer like totally, my internet was off and it was terrible.
It wigged out on you.
It did. It really did.
That's not fun.
And it's not letting me, well, it just is like going around and round and round when I'm trying to, on the group meeting. Oh, wait, it's doing something amazing. Okay. Let's see. Attempted one in progress. Oh, continue quiz. Okay, guys. Hang on. It might be working now, but I might have to go back through.
If you save them, I think they should be saved. That's what has happened with me.
Because you know what? It says now it says 4 of 12 questions saved, and I already went through and did all of them. So, okay, I'm going to do it again. So true, true. Question 3 is skewed right. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna check. Yes, skewed right.
Okay, number 4 is normal.
Right.
Number 5 is
Normal.
normal.
Mhm.
Okay.
6 is normal.
Hang on just a second. I'm going to save that response. Okay, wait a minute. 6 is normal. Okay. Saving it. Okay. 7. Oh no, this is the one that. Oh, now it's letting me check it. Oh, good.
Yay.
So the first one, the second one, and the fourth, right?
Right.
Okay. And then 8 is the fourth one.
Yes, it's
Is that correct?
Yeah, the fourth one. Yes.
Okay. Okay, 9 is
10.
10. That's right. And 10 is
1.
1.
Or is that 11?
Yeah, 10 is 1.
10 is 1, I think. 11 is normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
12 is the central limit. Okay, let me see if it got all of these. Save all responses. Okay, I'm submitting it. I think mine is just slower than all you guys. It's just slow.
It's okay.
It's tired.